Meaning of high.
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 High. High is an archaic word that means to hurry or move quickly. It was commonly used in older English literature and poetry, but is no longer a widely used word in modern language. The word carries a sense of urgency and haste, suggesting the need for swift action or movement. In contemporary usage, high is considered outdated and is replaced with more common words like hurry, rush, or speed. The meaning of high is important to understand for reading and interpreting older literature, but it has little relevance in modern speech and writing.